Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Inu news today: experts claim $10 shave, but by 2024, thanks to this new burn project and approach. The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap and a well-known coin in the sector is called Shiba Inu. The token is recognized as having influenced a number of other meme coins used in the market, including BitShiba, Shiba Vax, Captain Shib, Arrow, and others. It is an effort that is native to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and aims to promote decentralized community building within the cryptocurrency sector. The token drives the ecosystem and enables a number of internal processes, including network administration and fee payments on Shibaswap, the Shiba Inu decentralized exchange platform. It also serves a purpose. This video will discuss the $10 SHIB prediction made by experts for 2024. Today's Shiba Inu news is a result of this new burn initiative and strategy. For the most recent information on professional analysis and predictions for the Shiba enterprise, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu is a wholly community-focused cryptocurrency that ranks second in the meme coin market only to Dogecoin as the top meme coin. Shiba Inu owns stock on some of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges on the market, including Binance and Coinbase. Shiba Inu creator Satoshi Kusama has started a blog series to describe the Shibarium layer's debut on the beta blog on February 15th. That weekend, Baria sent excitement across the cryptocurrency Twitter, undoubtedly changing the calls. Analysts concur that the interest generated by the Shibarium launch may lead to a rise in value. A record amount of 1.2 million people have at least one Shiba Inu in their wallets. Never before have so many investors chosen to diversify their holdings by including Shiba Inus. Shibarium is merely a layer 2, and it is already widely known for having idiosyncrasies. The most meticulous analysts predict that Shibarium will gain from this. Indeed, the most educated industry insiders predict that the introduction of Shibarium will significantly accelerate the growth of the meme coin. Although not through the movements of the whales, the impending increase in value is demonstrated. The Shiba Korean video teaser was unveiled somewhere around the week of February 28th, according to a tiny tweet replied by Kazana, which is the even more important piece of information. The arrival of Shibarium was delayed by the absence of a key team member who had diarrhea, but his return to the group has raised expectations for a quick launch. In his blog entry from February 15th, Kazama stated that the initiation of the Shibarium beta test would be pending the return of diarrhea to the turn following the passing of his father. Kusama also acknowledged that she had recently been the target of online slander. But with the blog entries and an upcoming video, the marketing push to boost Shibarium has started. Shiba Inu and finally seems prepared for deployment because Allah encouraged adherents of all world religions to join the new Shibarium revolution in his blog article, which boosted the Shib army. The site believes that Shiba Inu can stand for a group of universal principles that are respectful of both world religions and more traditional faiths. The Shiba Inu community has high expectations for its members for a variety of reasons. The debut is expected to happen this week, according to one of the top authorities on Shib and Shibarium-related news, who recently reported on Shitoshi, the chief developer. The official Shibarium Telegram channel's messaging has also lately been disabled by Toshi. He added that once all the documents for the Shib volume were prepared, messages will be activated once more. In any case, not much else was disclosed. These activities open the door for assumption that the choice was made in order to cut down on noise and false information prior to the beta version of the LTO network's formal debut. The anticipated occurrence might serve as the catalyst for Shib's upcoming bull wave. According to the most recent whale stats data, among the top 2,000 ETH whales during the past 24 hours, Shib was the third most used smart contract. If the Shibarium beta launch occurs this week, Shib may draw more interest and possibly spark the next bullish wave for Shiba Inu. After capping the strong rally that was seen at the beginning of the year, the bulls have been fighting to reclaim control since the first week of February. Daima recently recorded a golden cross, adding to the timing that could support a powerful surge. The metrics, however, indicated a little more pessimistic expectation. Notably, during the past 4 weeks, the supply on exchanges has decreased significantly, whilst the supply outside of exchanges has increased. In terms of the current mood, we noticed a considerable decline in weighted mood over the past 3 days. This occurred at the same time as a spike in sale pressure over the previous week, indicating that the markets are generally in favor of bears who pivot into weighted sentiment. A reserve outcome is anticipated with the exchange flows over the coming days. In other words, how can you anticipate your outflows if the Sheboygan launch results in a surge in bullish demand? There is a resounding consensus that Shibarium will increase the ecosystem of the Shiba Inu and some organic demand. Although the debut is still a few days away, this is still in the realm of possibility. Whales entering Shiba waters and producing high tides will not prevent Shiba Inu from overcoming immediate obstacles. The increase in delivery volume that has been passing through the various EMAs is an early indication of a significant move. Bulls are currently maintaining momentum and halting close to the crucial 50% fib mark. Shiba cryptocurrency has fairly bullish threads with the upright movement of buyers, and it is well stimulated above its important moving averages. The price activity suggests that the bulls are aiming to push through the flag pattern's neckline. Additionally, the token is eager to get past the immediate barrier of $0.000150 supply. Bulls formed a base near $0.00000800 and created a double bottom pattern, while the token was in its recent correction phase. The prices from the demand zone then increased by 30% during the previous 20 trading sessions as the purchasers accumulated them. On February 20th, Shiba was trading inside the ascending parallel channel on the 4-hour chart, creating higher highs and lows. This gradual upward movement, since the start of 2023, is a positive cue for buyers for the upcoming months. If it moves over the $0.000150 range in the upcoming sessions, she denotes that it is about to make a long-awaited move. The upper end of the Bollinger Band is likely to be smashed since it is now convergent. The cryptocurrency also seeks to test again its prior high of $0.000180. The bears attempted to weaken the bull's fortitude by driving the token back to the support level last year when it was trading in a constrained range. By filling in gaps, the price of the Shiba token seeks to retest past highs. The coin increased by 15% this week, rewarding its investors. Furthermore, the token is poised for a significant move based on this week's massive volume gains. Shiba Inu will now be accepted as a form of payment for tuition at the Canadian University in Dubai, which is a novel move. Shiba Inu is one of the cryptos that NancePay favors, and a Canadian institution made the decision to admit them all. This follows the Twitter-announced partnership between Canadian University Dubai and Nance. To promote borderless and contactless cryptocurrency payments is the goal. As one of the leading universities in the area, Canadian University Dubai, this is a significant development for Shiba Inu. Holders will thereafter be able to enroll in any program of their choice. Their Shiba Inu possessions might be used to cover their costs. As a new week begins, crypto whales are active, trading a startling $282.5 million in XRP and Polygon. In the previous 36 hours, a number of escalating transactions were discovered by the whale alert on the crypto address tracker. XRP has been transferred by whales to and from the cryptocurrency exchanges Bitstamp and Bitstamp, according to new data from Whales Stats, making Polygon the 5th largest crypto asset holder among the 5,000 largest Ethereum whales ever. The top 4 are Shiba Inu XRP, USD Currency USDC, Tether USDT, and Ethereum, ETH, which is now at 0. At the time of publication, it was $39, down 0.5% from the previous day. Monarch is briefly down $49, or 0.9%. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.